Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check oxygen with an oximeter. This handy device, often called a pulse oximeter, provides a quick and non-invasive way to measure your blood oxygen saturation level, or SpO2, and your pulse rate. It's a small, portable tool that can offer valuable insights into your respiratory health. We'll cover everything from preparing for a reading to understanding what your numbers mean, ensuring you get the most accurate results every time you use it. Before taking a reading, a little preparation goes a long way to ensure accuracy. First, make sure your hands are warm and clean. Cold hands can affect blood flow and skew results. It's also crucial to remove any nail polish or artificial nails from the finger you plan to use, as these can interfere with the device's light sensors. Finally, try to rest quietly for at least 5 minutes before the measurement to ensure your heart rate and breathing are stable. Now, let's take the measurement. Simply clip the oximeter onto your index or middle finger, ensuring it's snug but not uncomfortably tight. Once it's on, keep your hand still and relaxed, perhaps resting it on a table or your lap. The device will then begin to display your blood oxygen saturation, or SpO2, and your pulse rate. Wait for about 10 to 20 seconds until the numbers on the screen stabilize before recording your reading. Understanding your results is key. For most healthy adults, a blood oxygen saturation level, or SpO2, between 95 and 100% is considered normal. Your pulse rate, also displayed, should generally fall between 60 and 100 beats per minute. If your SpO2 readings are consistently below 95%, or if you have any concerns about your pulse rate or overall health, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.